Good morning, guys. Good morning, Tangavarma, Sai Srivarshan, Ilati, Rajavarma. I think there is a connection issue or what? Everything is good. Vanishri AG. Yes. Kadir Adams. Good morning. Okay. Yeah. So today we'll try to take up now the last part of the ecosystem lesson, and then we will, if time permits, we will go to the organisms and population. The leftover topic there is population interactions are there. So those topics we will cover today itself if time permits. Otherwise, tomorrow session will complete. So, is everyone is here? Are you able to listen? Is everything good? Like voice and no buffering, right? No buffering. Okay. Yeah, Harini. Saran Raku. Morning. Okay, fine. It's perfect. Yeah. I tried to do a face cam sort of video for presentation purpose, but there were a lot of issues spent. But okay, what I can do is I'm trying to provide a link for you guys. So with that link, what you can do is you have to download. Now, what I'm going to discuss, I'm already kept in a presentation. Okay, you just download that. You'll be finding ecosystem ecosystem updated version. Okay, ecosystem 2.0. Okay, so download the material from ecosystem 2.0. Okay, not 1.0 already you have. So this 2.0 is updated version. I just updated the PPT. Okay, I think it's buffering. Okay, fine. Okay, shall we continue? So meanwhile you can open that, and or if you have textbooks also, that's fine, and try to have a running notes and take the notes whenever I'm defining something. You have to take the notes as well. If you have doubts, please do interact. Okay, so shall we start then? As everyone is there, I can see only few members not there. Wait. Waiting. Waiting for 3.0. Yeah, definitely. Okay, fine. So Tangavarma Sai who is missing actually? Okay, fine. Uh, where is Ashwin, May Rahul, Amrita Vahini? Okay, Adamson. Yeah, ecosystem 2.2. Yeah, fine. Okay, where is Prakalya is here? Is AG Vanishri is Prakalya? I again got confused with the user IDs. Okay, fine. We'll start within 1 minute. Okay. Ashwin, if you're here, please do respond. Uh, Ashwin May Rahul. Oh, okay. Prakalya is here. Who else missing? That's it, no? Okay, now. Then let's start. Okay, Ra. So let's start with the lesson. So have you guys accessed that PPT, right? So you can keep the PPT right now or later also you can access. That's not a big issue, big deal, right? So what I've given is I tried to gave a flow chart of this ecological succession that we talked last class. So I hope that the ecological succession you guys understood very well, because that's one of the important what do you say, interesting, more than important, it's interesting concept where I came across, and I've delivered the same to you guys as well. I hope that is as interesting as see how the succession takes place within the plants, primary succession and secondary succession, right? So functions you can fill it in PPT in the sense like you can do as an homework, you can really work on that. So whenever you study this this theoretical especially this ecology topics, right? This ecology topics you need to try to do in a flowchart manner, right? So that it will be more more clear to you guys, right? So it is not a process or a derivation or something which I can use board and all. So it is something which you can practice by your own. Self-explanatory will be there. If few things which are not self-explanatory, I will try to explain as well, right? So try to do it in a flowchart manner, so it will be more useful. Especially the whatever the lessons I pushed at last. The next lesson we are going to discuss organisms and population. Later we will be dealing with biotechnology applications, which is something theoretical where that applied aspects are already covered in principles. And then we'll talk about biodiversity and its conservation. And the last one is environmental issues. We will finish the biology portions. Okay. So today, hope so. We will clap for our session after a long time that we're gonna complete this chapter. So this ecological succession, I gave what do you say, this flowchart as well, a clear-cut flowchart, right? And then I talked about how this process would takes place to form different primary succession, secondary succession also I explained. So today we will be dealing with the nutrient cycles, right? Leftover portions in this or nutrient cycles. When we talk about the nutrient cycles, what does it pop? What pops in your mind? What do you mean by nutrient cycles? What exactly popped in your mind when I say nutrient cycle? Yeah, Sivaditya, advance. Okay. Okay, your video is freezing. I don't know what happened. Fine. So, what came across when I talk about ecological sorry, what do you say, this nutrient cycles? What exactly came into your mind? I'm trying to reconnect with other network, because I think I used up this net completely. It's exhausted, I guess. That's why it's buffering. Please answer to the question. What do you mean by nutrient cycles? What do you understand by the term nutrient cycle? You would have heard about nutrients, but what do you mean by nutrient cycles? What are the other name we can give for this nutrient cycles? Where does these nutrient cycles occur? It's buffering, guys. Please do respond. Exchange of organic matter. What do you mean by exchange of organic matter? Sai? It's connecting, re-establishment.